Hi Stellars! Welcome back to Tarotella. So, meron po tayong short oracle reading. Hindi po tayo gumamit ng tarot. This is for the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of January 2025. So, mga oracle lamang po ito in general reading. Very short lang po itong reading na to. Let's see what we have here for you guys. Aquarius, you should accept valid criticism. Yan, yung nakikita natin sa cup. And meron naman tayo ditong bouquet, compliments from an admirer. So, nakakita ko na, I feel na parang very hot itong person na to sa'yo. Yung itong admirer na to, very hot talaga sila sa'yo. Kaya, yung mga criticism nila sa inyo, medyo valid kasi sobrang nahahatan sila sa'yo or something like that, na sobrang gandang-ganda sila, gwapong-gwapo talaga sila sa inyo. Kasi mga compliment na yun, parang somehow reliable naman siya kasi very healthy criticism naman siya or valid criticism. Siguro, in terms of external appearance mo, parang masyado nilang na-emphasize or, alam yon, lagi nilang nababanggit kasi sobrang attracted sila sa'yo physically. Yun yung nakikita ko dito sa bouquet and combination of cup and bouquet oracle natin. So, you should accept valid criticism, whether it's coming from an admirer or from a colleague lang or coworker. It could be a family mo, immediate family mo, or even your person, your partner, kung may partner ka. So, you should really accept the criticism, yung mga healthy criticisms lang. So, let's move on here sa gifts. Sabi dito, love's greatest gift is the ability to truly understand one another. And sabi naman ng guardian, as an advice, guard each other's hearts as precious treasures. Very beautiful energy, guys. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang wag niyo gawing parang exercise yung pag-take for granted sa mga small gestures ng person or ng partner nyo. No? So, parang in a way, parang intindihin nyo rin yung mga flaws nila, yung mga hindi nila kayang gawin. Make them feel they are a treasure, make them feel that you really love them and they are a blessing into your life, no? So, this is just a short reading. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.